Hi, my name is Heather and I am in the Faculty of Education. This is my reflection on my first assignment, my cyberbullying lesson plan assignment. So I went on to Media Smart and found a lesson plan called Cyberbullying and Civic Participation for grades 7 to 9. It was a very in-depth lesson. I would actually say it was more of a unit plan. I don't understand how somebody could get through everything that was in that in a matter of just like an hour and a half, because it was extremely in-depth. It started out with like a warm-up game. It had a slideshow with it to go through just some different ideas on values and ethics. And I think that is just like a huge lesson in unit in itself. It's just talking about ethics and values and rules and things like that. So I didn't touch too much on that. So that is more kind of like that civic participation ideas. So in my lesson plan, I couldn't really touch on that because I felt like that was like 2 or 3 lessons within itself. So I wanted to focus more on the cyberbullying aspect because that's something that we've been kind of talking through in our last few videos on Flipgrid the last little while. And one of the ideas that came up through some of my wonderings, through listening through some of the other videos that the classmates had been posting, was just how can we really make students realize the consequences for their online actions. And so I really wanted to focus my lesson on that, like giving students a real realization of these are the consequences of when you do things online, when you are cyberbullying somebody, or if you're just being a bystander and not doing anything when you see it happening. So I really wanted to focus on that aspect. So I did pull in a few things from the Media Smarts lesson that you'll see, but I also came up with a kind of a drama activity where kids could make up their own videos on the idea of cyberbullying and the idea of being a positive bystander or a negative bystander. So that's what you'll see in my lesson plan. And I was grateful that I was able to kind of extend that and kind of develop it into my own thoughts and ideas. So yeah, thank you for the opportunity to write this lesson plan, and hopefully I will be able to use it in the future. Thanks.